In today's session, we will learn how to draw figure and proportions of the human figure. When it comes to learning how to draw people or figure, whatever it is, it can be human figure, can be animal figure. Start with simplest thing, that is line. But before you make a single line, you must have a clear conception of what you want to draw. So do with simple and minimum line to ensure your success. And what is simpler than drawing armature? Start with stick figures like cave painting, especially for example Bhimbetka, which is presently located at Madhya Pradesh. Later on it got modified and transformed into Indian traditional folk style of work, presently known as Varli style of art. Hopefully, all of you are familiar with this style. I want all of my students to draw inspiration and start something in this manner. Then you can slowly enter the story of the blocked human form, where the bending, twisting or turning of volume gives the sensation of movement held together by rhythm. The different stages are arranged in their sequence, from how to draw the figure to the balance of light and shade. My purpose is to awaken the sense of research and analysis of the structure hidden beneath. It is hoped that the ideas conveyed in the drawing and my lecture in this session may enable my students to carry on with independent and better ideas of drawing and representation. Always begin with the simplest so that your brain will say, "Yes, I can." Do not select anything random which is out of your comfort zone. So let's begin. what is drawing and why drawing is essential to any kind of art. You need to know the basics of drawing so you can bring your ideas to life. Drawing is an art form that uses pencil, pen, crayon, charcoal, pastel, ink, color and brush and other drawing tools to furnish in visual art, fashion and commercial designs, architecture and technical plans. Drawing is an essential part of each and every art and design process. Improve your drawing skills with my drawing and representation classes. Myself Dipto Narayan Chattopadhyay. Before you start anything in visual art, most important thing is how to observe. Learn techniques for observation, scale and composition by drawing from nature and life, and how to use reference in your own creation. Keep watching, stay with me, see you soon.